Very good morning, student. Today I'll take your revision test of lesson 6, that is rocks and minerals. So before starting the revision test, let's have a quick revision what we have studied in this chapter. In this chapter, we have studied certain topics like rocks, types of rocks, minerals, uses of rocks and minerals. These topics we have studied in this chapter. Before starting the test, let's have a quick review of these topics separately. As you all know, Earth is made up of rocks and soil. About soil you have already studied in the last chapter. So, we will discuss about the rocks only. Rocks is the hard substance which is made up of minerals. Minerals are what? Minerals are building blocks of rocks. Means rocks are made up of minerals. Minerals you cannot see directly with your eyes. You need magnifying glass. When you use magnifying glass, it looks like a small grains. Each rock contains one or two minerals. Okay. Now, types of rock. Basically, there are three types of rocks found on the earth. That is igneous rock, sedimentary rock and metamorphic rock. Igneous rocks are basically the hot molten rocks. When these hot molten rocks become cool and hard, they converted into igneous rock. Now come to the topic sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock are the repeated deposition of the layers. Repeated deposition of these layers like sand, clay, gravel, pebbles, which came in the beds of the ocean through strong wind or running water, they get deposit on the beds of the ocean, and they formed. This process take million of years, and they formed or they converted into sedimentary rocks. Metamorphic rocks are basically formed due to the changes in existing rock like sedimentary rock or igneous rock. Means after a longer period of time, these igneous rock or sedimentary rocks converted into metamorphic rocks. Okay. Now, I hope these three types of rocks are clear to you all. Now, minerals. As you all know, minerals are the natural substance which is found in the earth. Minerals basically are of two types, metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Examples of metallic minerals are gold, silver, iron, aluminium. And non-metallic minerals are coal, petroleum, uranium. These are non-metallic minerals. Now come to the topic uses of rocks and minerals. We use rocks and minerals in so many things. Like we use rocks to make buildings, roads, bridges, dams, etc. We use minerals like in nuclear power, in running the vehicles, in running the machines. We use non-metallic minerals in these type of uses. We use minerals to make utensils, to make ornaments. We use gold and silver to make ornaments. We use copper, aluminium to make utensils. So basically, these are the uses of rocks and minerals. I hope, student, this quick revision of the chapter helps you to complete your test paper. All the best for your test paper, and let's discuss the test paper in detail. What you have to do and how you have to do in the test. Let's discuss it. So student, here is your test paper of today. This test paper is divided into three sections. As you can see over here, you have to complete this paper till 9:30. One more thing, you have to do all the questions and with complete sentence. Means you have to write the full sentence and then you have to give the answer. I hope these things are clear to you all. Now let's discuss the question paper. First question is true or false. First part is rocks are made up of soil. So you have to mention whether this statement is true or false. Shale and sandstone are examples of sedimentary rocks. Again, you have to fill the box with T or F. Marble is formed from limestone. Is it true or not? Mention over here. About 95% of the earth crust is made up of sedimentary rocks. Is it true or not? When hot molten rocks flows out to the earth's surface, it is called lava. So, in the same way, you have to mention true or false about the statement. If you have studied the chapter properly, you will be able to do these exercises, because these exercises are not directly from the exercises given at the back of the book, but these are made by me within the chapters. So please do it very sincerely, very carefully. Now B, filling the blanks. You have to write the complete sentence with the answer. No need to write just answer. First is minerals can be dash or non-metallic. Dash are made up of minerals. Means what are made up of minerals? You have to fill it over here. Dash is the hot molten rock present inside the earth. So what we call that hot molten rock which is present inside the earth? I explained you while teaching you the chapter. Now dash are chemical substance that occur naturally on the earth. What chemical substance occur naturally on the earth? What we call that? Now rocks formed by the repeated deposition of layers are called dash rocks. What we call that rock which is formed due to the repeated deposition of the layers? So all these fill-ups you have to do, but with complete sentence you have to give the answer. Now in third section, that is match the following. Here two columns are given, column A and column B. You have to match the column A with correct option of column B. Means either you just write the correct option in front of each one of it which is written in the column A, or do the correct numbering. In these two ways you have to do match the column, but you no need to do crisscross over here. I hope it is clear. First option is petroleum. You have to match the petroleum among these options. Now sandstone, igneous rock, gneiss and coal. So I hope the question paper is clear to all. You have to submit your question paper till 9:30, because after 9:30 I'll post the answer of these questions. I hope it is clear to you all how you have to do these questions and how much time you need to complete this question paper. So all the very best. Thank you.